and welcome to Adventures in TV Land. Today, this video, it's a Happy Meal video. McDonald's has a new Happy Meal toy out. This is a very special edition here. Now, I'm not sure, well, it's because there's something that just came out on Netflix tied to a show that ended at the end of last year. We have the Stranger Things Happy Meal. Stranger Things 85. Tales from 85. Happy Meal. Stranger Things Tales from 85. I'll give you kudos there, McDonald's. That's a really awesome looking box there. Side there, you can see some of the toys. On the back side, they do have the theming with the tentacles right there. On this side, some more of the Tales, some more of the toys from Tales from 85. Alright, so let's see here. Oh, there's a new exclusive Stranger Things book too, possibly. So let's see what's inside here. Oh, look at the apple slices. The apple slices got the Stranger Things theme as well. I would put that music here somewhere in this video, but it's copyrighted and I'm sure it'll get banned. It'll get flagged if I do. Right there, we've got the toy. Stranger Things 85. Number 1. We have number 1. 11. Number 1. It's 11. All right, let's see here. So we've got what looks like a little house. See there, it's a little house. Door open up. Oh, the door rotates. Rotating door. All right, you match it up. You got TV set, so you match it up. So I've matched it up. So I've unlocked the door, and I open up the door, and there is Elle. There's Elle right there. Whoa, it's Elle. She's got a walkie-talkie there. Lock her back inside. Now, can't get out. It's kind of neat. Little house there. So there we have it. We've got Stranger Things 85 toy with Elle. 11. Who's number 1? I'm number 1. I'm not number 1 in the thing. I was 11, but I'm number 1 in the McDonald's Happy Meal toys. Oh, yeah. So, did you watch Stranger Things? How did you think, the finale, the last season? What did you think about it? I made several reviews, 3 reviews on the 3 parts of the finale season. What I thought about it, part 1, part 2, and then the last episode. You can check those out. Maybe I'll put the links here. I don't know. We'll see. But did you like... I liked Stranger Things until this last season. This last season was a bit of a letdown. I'm not going to lie, in my opinion. But what did you think? Did you watch the show? Did you like it? Did you like the last season? Did you like how things ended? Let me know in the comments below. Well, this has been another adventure in TV land. I thank and kudos to you, McDonald's. You did a good job. This is kind of a good toy. It's neat. I mean, I can see how kids, if they were interested. I mean, you got a little figure, got this house thing. It's got like a little puzzle to be able to open the door. They figured out how to open the door. The box, other than the back, I wish McDonald's would do something with that stupid smile on the back of their boxes. When I was a kid, the boxes, they had games on all the sides. They had like 4 sides there were things and activities to do. This one, there's just the one. So, well, not the one. There's 3 sides. There's the one side that they don't put anything on there anymore hardly. It's kind of lame. I know it's cheaper to do it that way, but it's still kind of lame. Anyway, this has been another adventure in TV land. I do thank you for watching. And until next time, that's a wrap.